Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you my grades in application of deep learning at Purdue University by Professor Zisheng Chen. It was a really interesting course with all the practical and hands-on learning and had included topics like adversarial attacks, VAE, GANs, explainability, text, RNN, CNN, machine learning, Google Cloud, Hugging Face, and ChatGPT, and more. So, here I will be showing you my grades, and look how much I scored. It's a perfect 101.66 out of 100. It's even more than 100, and it's all because of my consistency, hard work, and doing the work before the deadline. That's the key, friends. And let's see how I did. So, this is my final calculated grade. It's a really mathematical subject and consists of understanding the networks, neural networks, and different layers in a network, the neurons that go into each, the input and output layers explicitly. So, this subject had different components to it, and we had analyzed and did our project on image upscaling as well. So let's start with homework because that's where the grind happens. I had 8 homeworks plus an bonus assignment in which I almost scored full and had great feedbacks. I had 32.93, that's an equivalent of 109.76 in all my homeworks, and even got like extra point on one for bonus 1. And if you see homework 5, that's 120 plus 30 bonus points. I felt really proud on that work. Next, coming up, we had the course project, and here there were some marks that were deducted due to code peer reviews and GitHub commits that we missed. And we had like 4 models in our project, but only 2 of them, including upscaling and colorization, really worked really well, so that deducted us some points. So I scored an overall of 91.43 in the course project aspect. The final exam, I couldn't believe when I saw my grades. I had a 99% on the final exam, a score of 99 out of 100, which converted to 29.7 out of 30. It was a coding exam without chat gpt, without any AI tools, and also had multiple choice questions in it. But I'm really surprised that I scored so well. It was mostly because I studied the slides really well and performed all the coding questions. I have some videos in my YouTube channel where I practice for the subjects from the book itself and understand all the concepts. Another topic was class participation. I used to answer all the questions in each class, made sure to answer at least one questions in each class, and to be interactive, interact with all my classmates and answer the questions whatever professor had has asked. We also had extra credits in our course wherein if you corrected some professor you would get some bonus points for each lecture. So I had scored about 1.6 bonus marks in it as well. But because of my hard work, perseverance, and consistency, I believed I was able to do so much work and focus on my classes. It was consistent effort and understanding. Deep learning is in general tricky, but if you break it down, do the projects thoroughly, and don't skip homeworks and classes, you can literally overachieve like me. Coming to the team project, it was all about team collaboration, model implementation, and real world application. I studied and learned how to be proactive, interact with my teammates, and just be better. If not the best, just be better every day, each day. So that was my deep learning applications of deep learning at Purdue Flex. 100 Let's say a plus 1 doesn't, a plus doesn't even cover it. But I'm really grateful, and if you score this well in deep learning, don't forget to flex your grades as well. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know if you want to share me my top strategies for studying and like acing some computer science courses. Catch you in the next one. Thank you so much.